astray. Try to forget, but the thoughts, they seem to drown me instead.
Place your flowers in my vase.
Take off, little airplane boy, and head for the clouds. Show me the sky and the sights and the sounds. I've been needing a break, been bearing my weight, and I'm grateful. Take off, little sailor boy, and set for the sea. Been craving the feeling of a cold ocean breeze. Can you take me away from this boring old place? Got me dreaming. Little music boy sings, cause it's all that he knows. Little music boy sings everywhere that he goes.
All done. Except, why does it look like this? I didn't have any baking soda, so I don't know if it's the same. We'll see.
Let him escape, little music boy, in his bedroom alone.
Morning. Just got ready, put on my makeup, and now I have to change. I have to pick up some stuff at the grocery store so I can make dinner tonight, and also we're probably just gonna stop by like the Barnes and Noble. I don't know, the weather, like 60, so I'm also listening to the song, my new fave from the album. Okay, I just changed. I'm literally wearing a white tee and I'm wearing some blue jeans. I'm actually just trying these on right now. Let me show you what they look like. They're just regular mid-toned blue jeans. I honestly just bought these because I have a black one of these exact same jeans and I really like the fit, but I feel like in blue it doesn't look as good. I think I'm gonna return it because if it's not 100% yes, then it's a no. That's my little thing I like to think because I have so many clothes. This is the exact same one but in black. This is what I'm wearing today. Literally the most basic fit, but I feel like I'm not really doing anything that monumental. Basic gold hoops and a little cross necklace that I got. And I don't know for sure what bag I'm gonna wear. Actually, I do know. It's gonna be the same Isabel Marant one. What am I thinking? Before I leave, I'm gonna put on some of these fragrance mists. Me and my really close friend, we were really into Bath and Body Works when we were younger and collected Bath and Body Works. And I think Bath and Body Works hauls were really popular, I feel like, back in the day. So anyway, it was so nostalgic to go back and actually buy something. And I kind of like the idea of just spraying a fragrance mist like all over and not having to think about it. Because I feel like perfume, because it's so potent, you kind of have to be very careful and like cautious of how much you put on and whatnot. But I feel like fragrance mist, you can literally just spray all over and you're good to go. I think I'm gonna try this one too. Honestly, it kind of smells like a candle. I'm gonna spray it all over. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm in like middle school. Now I'm gonna head out. Let's go. My mom said this smells really good. Came to the Barnes and Noble. I heard a lot about this one. We are now going to go grocery shopping. I'm trying to find a good recipe for risotto, but because it's my first time making it. Oh, I'm looking for a good like mushroom risotto recipe. We can't find, like, I don't have one sort of chef that I rely on. I kind of just browse online and I don't know. I'm just gonna use the first one that I found. I'm excited. We thought we were done. We literally forgot the rice of the risotto. I'm trying to find it. We're back. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. First thing is this rice, onions, parmesan, need these mushrooms, baby Bella. It reminds me of Bella Hadid. Mozzarella, burrata, broccoli, grape tomatoes, stew beef, cucumbers for the pasta salad, and prosciutto also for the pasta salad. Oh, we also got this cough drop because we're all sick. Yeah, so this is what we got, and now I'm gonna put it in the fridge. So I found this recipe. I like to find multiple and sort of compare them. So here I screenshotted two so I can sort of compare the two and sort of, you know, mix it a little. I don't know. Tie my hair. I don't know how people cook without tying their hair. My parents just left for Costco, which is honestly great for me because I don't like it when there's people around while I'm cooking, especially if it's like a dish that I'm unfamiliar with. Like I need the kitchen to myself.
Honey, you've got a big storm coming.
It's only 4 cups. Yeah, we just have to do a little less ingredients. I think it's about done. I'm just gonna set it aside now. But in the rice, I need my god, oh 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 my god. Bro, you might actually cry right now. The chicken stock is like in. What is this? This is all chicken stock, guys. This, I literally can't. I literally didn't even have enough chicken stock. Now it's literally gone. Like, what am I gonna do? Guys, what do I do? I'm just trying to clean this up. Oh my gosh. Do you hear that? Oh my god, this is so bad. This is so bad. I can't. The recipe literally said to make the chicken stock boil again. So it was on like really low heat, and then I raised it, and then that happened. It's so funny that I got it on camera. I can't. Why did this take me 10 years to make?
너무 맛있는데? 그냥 맛있어.
Pretty good.
It took me. I'm making cookies though. finally back in my room. I have my cookie. I added my flaky salt, of course. I have my milk. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this. This is like my favorite part of the day, where I could just, the simple things, my little cookie. And I'm gonna watch like a video on YouTube probably, and then I'm gonna try to edit my last Boston vlog. I'm really excited for this last one because we go like apple picking and stuff. If you haven't watched it, it's definitely up right now. So I'll put a little thing. I feel like it's here, but yeah, I'll put it up. But yeah, I'm gonna just enjoy this cookie and watch the videos.